my God, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday!
Oh my God, it's my birthday. Hey,
Happy, happy!
happy birthday to me.
Happy, happy!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy, happy!
Oh my God, it's my birthday.
Good health always kay mama.
Okay.
We love you, ma.
Love you.
Happy birthday, ma.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow. But I like it the most.
I like it the most.
Oh, wow.
Basa na yung message, basa ha. Hindi sa ato na tanan halin
Dear Mama Din, happiest birthday sa amon super mom. If given a chance to choose a mom, we will always choose you. Papa Ed is lucky to have you as his wife. I strive for being our mama and Inday Pierce to be your nanan. Ma, you are not only our mama but the mama miwana nanan or everyone who knows you. Bisan layo si Pitit kag si Mikay, hindi mo perme
Upod.
upod papong sa tupad mo. Matandaan mo.
Ano?
Yo, patak ka.
Tapusa
Oh, hindi na ito kong pasa.
Basa ha, ayo
Hindi na, pray nga mo, perme. God bless you, mama.
Lalalalalalala, why you yanay?
Ama na.
Tapusa. Lalalala.
So much, Kanan. God bless us all.
Ops, basi malipatan na araw. Ararararara. Basi malipatan. Pambayad mo na karon.
Nagandi tapos. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Nanan. Palangga kagid namon kamo ni Papa. Layo man kami pero we always make sure ma-feel nyo gid nga ara lang kami permi. Mikay will be home very soon. Soon. Makita lang namon kamo nga happy pawi na ang amon nga kahidlaw kag kakapoy. Halungan nyo gid ang inyong nga lawas permi. You and Papa are the reason kung aaamo ko ni ka-strong. I love you so much. Miss you all. God bless.